Okay, so Simran, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA.
Hi, thank you.
Hi. Again, Simran, first of all, thank you so much. I know last time जब connect करने की हमने कोशिश की थी, because of the network issue, interview हो नहीं पाया, but you agreed for the second time, so thank you so much for that.
No, I'm very glad.
Okay, so Simran, starting, of course, with the show, with all the love, with all the, sometimes hates also, which you are getting for the show, for the character. Tell me something. When you said yes to this show and to your character, did you expected that you will receive that much of love, and will the show will also do so much better? Since you said yes to the show. So tell me about that thing.
No, so I think it was written for me, the show, because in November I gave the audition for it, and then by December I joined something else because यहाँ तक अब तक confirmation नहीं आया था, तो मैं इतनी उसमें थी कि मैं क्या करूँ नहीं करूँ. मम्मा ने बोला अभी ये है सिमरन, अभी ये कर ले. मैंने कर लिया और वो शो अनफॉर्चुनेटली बंद हो गया 3 महीने में. पर immediately I started with this one, and अभी रशिता की एंट्री हुई. तो अगर मैंने तभी वेट कर लिया था तो फिर मेरी वो 3 महीने ऐसे में कुछ भी नहीं कर रही होती. So I was very happy with the show, and as it is Star, it is always, Star has a thing कि अच्छा अच्छे shows चलते हैं Star पे. So I was excited, but then हाँ, जितना अच्छा शो कर रहा है उतना तो बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था. मुझे तो लगता है किसी ने भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होगा, बट अब जैसे जा रहा है, I think yeah, it is on a very good path and we all are growing so well.
Right. Okay, tell me.
इतना सारा प्यार आता है, इतना सारा हेट भी आता है बेचारी रिश्ता को. But no, that is, I think, then I'm playing it well.
Right. But a lot of actors are not very good, taking that role in a positive side. So how are you managing with that?
Because I was told that Rishita is not negative. वो बस सीधी है, वो बच्ची, उसको जो चाहिए होता है वो चाहिए होता है. And अभी तक उस तौर तरीके सही नहीं हुए because she's been brought up in a very not a very good ऐसे लाडला environment. सब गुंडा है उसके पापा, है ना, जनार्दन. So उसका बैकग्राउंड ही ऐसा रहा है बेचारी का, क्या करे. तो बहुत रूड है, पर then again she's a nice person, and now people, I think slowly people will connect with her. क्योंकि अब तक क्या हो रहा था ना कि Ravi was a very happy cheerful character. जब से रिश्ता ये बेचारी रावी रोती रहती है उससे रुलाती रहती है, तो लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि गंदी है रिश्ता. बट आई थिंक जैसे उसका रावी के साथ अच्छा होगा, बाकी सबके साथ अच्छा होगा, तो people will start loving her also in the way she is.
Definitely. And tell me this also, Simran, you are, comparing to all the 4 people, Akshay, Kanwar, or, Alice, you were the new one who joined the show. So initially when you joined the show, already there is Shiny, there is Kinshuk, who are in a way seniors to you. So, how was the initial days? Was it like, initially you people like gelled up, it took time? How was it?
No. Normally I gel up with people very easily and very fast, but here it took some time because सब youngsters हैं और वो already मिल चुके हैं. They have spent time together, so it was a bit difficult. और किंशुक तो मुझे लगता है पहले 4 दिन तो हमने एक बात तक नहीं, ना एक हेलो बोला. वो ऐसे रूम में से निकलता था, मैं उसको ऐसे देखती थी, वो ऐसे देखता था, मैं जाती थी, वो जाता था, ऐसा होता था. मैंने बोला यार ये तो बड़ा डरावना सा है. मैंने एक बार इनको बोला भी था, यार ये तो बात ही नहीं करता है ये, आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड ऑफ हिम. सो इन लोगों ने उसको बोल दिया किंशुक, सिमरन इज स्कैर्ड ऑफ यू. तो कहता है वाह कोई तो मुझसे डरता है. इतना कुछ हो गया. So then later he opened up and he's so good. Everywhere here is very good. And initially, Shiny made an effort to make me comfortable on set. Akshay was always there since the first day. We gelled up very well together. But सिर्फ अक्षय था और थोड़े दिनों तक ऐसे मैं थोड़ी सी I was trying. But now it is like I think we are more than a family.
Right. As you correctly said that you people are more than a family. I see a lot of BTS videos of every show, but the way you people enjoy it, it seems that you people are really enjoying it and you people are not pretending it. So, tell me that one thing, which you believe that's the reason you people gel up and get it so along. What is that one reason behind that?
I think here everyone is very caring and affectionate towards each other. If in a scene also, if someone is not doing good or something is wrong, ठीक है, costume को लेकर या कुछ भी हो, सब होते हैं साथ, and everyone will like अच्छा ये करना चाहिए, and किसी का कुछ हो गया गड़बड़, तो everyone is there for each other. So I think that is one thing which is everyone wants to grow here together. That is a very beautiful part of our show.
Right. And, definitely most of your scenes are with Akshay. And as I also, mentioned in the last interview, which I tried to take, that, in one of your posts, you just mentioned, you referred Akshay as Bhai with like a friendly touch. But your fans were like, okay, please don't refer him like that. So on this thing, if you want to just tell anything.
So Akshay and me, I think yesterday I thought about it. मैंने बोला यार scenes में आ रहा है कि नहीं, या तो scenes खत्म करते करते भी बोलता है oh good bromance bro, good bromance. It's like that. So with Akshay, because we are so similar ना, our energy, हम नाचते हैं तो हम पागलों जैसे नाचते हैं, सब हमको रणवीर सिंह बोलते हैं सेट का, हम साथ में नाचते हैं. So everything is very similar. जैसे अभी 2-3 दिन पहले मेरी उससे छोटी सी लड़ाई हो गई, कौन सी चीज कि उसने मुझे ट्रैक्टर चलाने नहीं दिया, उसने मुझे बोला था मुझे देगा, फिर उसने मुझे दिया नहीं, तो मैं उसके ऊपर गुस्सा हो गई. तो हमारा ऐसा छोटा सा झगड़ा हो जाता है जो आई थिंक नेक्स्ट, और मैं वहां से भाग गई, तूने मुझे धोखा दिया है अक्षय, मैं भाग रही हूँ, मैं साड़ी में जंगलों में भाग रही, मतलब तूने मुझे धोखा दे दिया, मैं जा रही हूँ. फिर उसके बाद में विचार आता है, कहता है यार मैं तुझे कल दे दूंगा, तू ही चला लेना ट्रैक्टर, तू ही चला ऐसे. So I think we are similar, and that's why we gel up very good together, and we're like bros.
Yeah.
I know बहुत लोग खुश नहीं होंगे ये सुनकर, पर ठीक है, अब ऐसा है तो है.
Okay. So tell me one thing, whenever an actor does a particular show, कोई ना कोई expectation हमेशा रहती है उस character से या उस show से लेके कि ये मेरे career के लिए ऐसा करेगा. तो आपकी क्या expectation है इस character से और इस show से?
अब मुझे पिछले 1 महीने में तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है ऋषिता को प्ले करने में, एंड आई फील दैट द शो, द वे इट इज गोइंग, आई थिंक इन नेक्स्ट, आई थिंक sometimes we can be the top show also.
Of course. Yeah.
So, yeah. And we really feel that together. We feel that, कि our show is doing so good, और ये आगे जाके भी ऐसा ही अच्छा करेगा. और ऋषिता को तो प्ले करने में अभी मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. मैंने समझ लिया है ऋषिता को अभी. मुझे ऐसे हो गया एनलाइटमेंट अबाउट ऋषिता. मुझे पहले समझ में नहीं आता था वो क्या करती, अब मुझे समझ गया वो फ्लिप है, वो कभी बहुत अच्छी रहेगी, वो कभी बहुत बुरी रहेगी, पर वो ऐसी ही है. सो अब मुझे अगर कोई, मैं बोला अभी तो मैं झगड़ा करके आ रही हूँ, हाउ कैन आई डू अ गुड रोमांटिक सीन विद देव नाउ, तो कहते नहीं ऋषिता ऐसी है. बोला ठीक है. So yeah.
Okay, cool. And Simran, we are very sure that Pandya Stores, which is actually doing great, it is definitely going to do more great. So Simran, on this note, thank you so much for the wonderful interview. And I must say that this was my first time interacting you. And I don't know how you portray a character like Rishita, because you're so positive, almost, smiling. So I can understand it would be very difficult for you to portray Rishita, since you are such a positive person. So thank you so much for the interview. And
thank you for having me, Kinnari. It was so good.
It's my pleasure. And anything which you want to say to your fans?
Yes, thank you so much for showering so much of love. We are enjoying I am so enjoying a lot of attention that I'm getting, good, bad. I'm loving it all. And you guys put so much of efforts creating videos and posts for us. Thank you so much, and keep showering your love like this, and we'll make sure that we entertain you throughout till the show is there, and I hope that it is there till the time we want. And as a family, you all have supported us so much, so thank you so much again, and thank you, Kinnari.
No, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much, Simran, and all the best for Pandya Stores and all your future projects. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best. Stay safe. Take care. Please don't get out unnecessary. Thank you.
Same day. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, this is Ritvik. You're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.